All right, this is going to be a short video explaining infinite geometric series. So an infinite geometric series is going to be given by sigma a1 r to the n power, where the absolute value of r is less than 1. So an infinite geometric series comes from the fact that, first of all, the word infinite is going to be the number of terms that we're going to have to add up. So we're going to be adding up an infinite number of numbers here. So at the top of this sigma notation, we're going to have the infinity symbol. Over here for geometric, what geometric means is that to get to each new term, you need to multiply by r. So we're going to be multiplying by r. That way we can get to each new term. So we're going to be multiplying by r a certain number of times, and that's going to be given by this exponent right here. And the exponent is going to be the index for this sigma notation. So what's going to happen is we're going to let n be 1 to start off with. And whatever number n is down here at the bottom, that's going to be the number that you're always going to start off with. So we're going to let n be 1. If we do that, we get a1 times r to the 1 power. But usually we just write that as r. So we might not even put a 1. And then we'll bring down a plus sign since we're always adding. For the next term, I'm going to let n be the next number up, which is going to be 2 now. So I'm going to let n be 2. I get a1 times r squared. And then for the next term, I'm going to let n be 3. And I get a1 times r cubed. And then from there, n is just going to go up by 1 each time, and it's going to go up an infinite number of times. So this is going to be called the infinite geometric series. Now, there is a formula to figuring out how to do these. The formula is going to be S infinity equals the fraction a1 over 1 minus r, where the absolute value of r is less than 1. Because the absolute value of r is less than 1, this series is going to converge. So this series only converges if the absolute value of r is less than 1. If the absolute value of r is greater than or equal to 1, then the series will diverge. So that's the difference between converging and diverging. So when we calculate the infinite geometric series, we always need to find a1. That's going to be on top of the fraction. a1 is going to be the first term in the series. First term in the series. And r down here is going to be our common ratio. And because this is a geometric series, we're going to be multiplying by r each time. So that's what the infinite geometric series is given by that formula. And in the next couple of videos, we'll be going over examples of infinite geometric series. So I'll see you then.